You are invited to a private screening, The Vintage Code. Watch it now. Look, it's starting!
The Roaring Twenties were probably the most exciting decade in American history, characterized by economic prosperity, rapid social, cultural change, and a mood of exuberant optimism. In other words, particularly for the rich and the growing middle class, things had never been better, and it looked like the party would never end. Sports went big. The stock market was flying high, and there were more cars on the roads than ever before. Show business was bigger than ever. There were movies, radio, and vaudeville. There were famous gangsters. Skirts go way up. Long hair was bobbed, and women were smoking. Drinking and dancing, Charleston scandalous. Everything loosened up. Morals, language, and arts. There was a lot of creativity and a lot of fun.
Quite a beauty, isn't she? A real classic. Your pride and joy?
So, sit back, relax, and take in the journey. I hope you'll find it truly enjoyable.
Time and again, I've longed for adventure, something to make my heart beat the faster. What did I long for? I never really knew. Finding your love, I've found my adventure. Touching your hand, my heart beats the faster. All that I want in all of this world is you. You are the promised kiss of springtime that makes the lonely winter seem long. You are the breathless hush of evening that trembles on the brink of a lovely song. You are the angel glow that lights a star. The dearest things I know are what you are. Someday my happy arms will hold you, and someday I'll know that moment divine when all the things you are mine. Someday my happy arms will hold you, and someday I'll know that moment divine when all the things you are was a famous trumpet man from out Chicago way. He had a boogie style that no one else could play. He was the top man at his craft, but then his number came up and he was gone with the draft. He's in the army now, a blowing reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. They made him blow a bugle for his Uncle Sam. It really brought him down because he couldn't jam. The captain seemed to understand, because the next day the cap went out and drafted a band. And then now the company jumps when he plays reveille. Bugle boy of Company B. A toot, a toot, a toot, diddle-a, toot. He blows it eight to the bar in boogie rhythm. He can't blow a note unless the bass and guitar is playing with him. He makes his company jump when he plays reveille. He's the boogie-woogie bugle boy of Company. A boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. And when he plays boogie woogie bugle, he was busy as a booze bee. And when he plays, he makes the company jump eight to the bar. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B.
License and registration. Yes, officer. Right here. Everything seems to be in order.
Move along now.
Thank you, officer. Drive safely.
He blows it eight to the bar. He can't blow a note if the bass and guitar isn't with us. And the company jumps when he plays reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. He puts the boys asleep with boogie every night and wakes them up the same way in the early pride. They clap their hands and stamp their feet because they know how he plays when someone gives him a beat.
Ma'am, I'm issuing you a citation.
A citation for what? This is absurd.
Reckless driving. Sign here.
I will not. Officer, please.
Just take the ticket, lady.
Oh, for heaven's sake.
What happened here?
Officer, it wasn't our fault. He ran the light, officer.
I need your statements.
But officer, please.
Stand back.
Ready, girls? Let's play. I've got it. Here you go. Pass it here. Keep moving. Let's go. I've got it. Shoot, shoot. Yeah, doing it. Great shot. Get the rebound. I got it. Pass it back. Nice pass. Let's go. Here comes a visitor.
Remember the speed limit.
Drive safe. See our town?
Or our jail.
He waved back.
10 miles an hour, that's slow. But look, drive fast and see the jail.
That's right. Drive safe now.
Enjoy our town. Will do, thanks. Time to make the deliveries. Here you are, ma'am. Fresh baked this morning.
They look wonderful, thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this presentation enjoyable. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe, share it with your friends, and many thanks to everyone for the kind comments. I truly appreciate it. Take care and have a wonderful day.